This is Dale Pack here at Mount Airy Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat. I wanted today to take a look at this 2017 Ram truck. A real nice truck, is white in color, sitting on 20s. Also cloth heated seats. Yes folks, cloth heated seats. Usually get leather with a Ram truck. This is the Bighorn edition. Has a middle console and an 8.4 radio. One of the features I'd like to show you today is the room that's in the back. There's a lot of room. You can get your family. It does have a fold out, so if you carry a dog or anything like that, luggage, you can lay that on there and it be flat. So this is one of the good features that the Bighorn does come with. I mentioned inside you have the 8.4, the middle console with your heated seat. It does have the 8-way power seat, and it does have your Bluetooth, so it's a very nice vehicle. In the back here, it does have lock and tailgate, so that way if you decide to put a tonneau cover on it, you do have lighting in the back of it. It has the LED lighting, lock and tailgate. It does come with a backup camera, which works through your 8.4 screen. Right up here, I was telling you earlier about the fold-out mirrors. When you tow, you can fold them out. You don't got to purchase those. So that's one thing that separates our Ram trucks is the fold-out mirror. That's very convenient for you if you're pulling a trailer with a lawnmower or anything like that. It does sit on our 20s. This is the 5.7 Hemi, great motor. My time here has been wonderful. Please come on down to Mount Airy Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat. Ask for me, Dale Pack.